Don't miss out. There are no down payment options available on this stunning, totally remodeled 4-bedroom, 2-bath brick rancher, conveniently located at 2404 Brookline Drive off Sparkman Drive in beautiful Huntsville, Alabama. You will experience love at first sight as you step into a warm, inviting space with gorgeous wood floors that flow into a loaded kitchen. It's updated and it's perfect for creating memories, sharing meals, and entertaining loved ones. At the end of the day, retreat to your isolated elite suite. It's your private oasis, complete with a luxurious full bath for the pampering and relaxation that you deserve. The 3 additional bedrooms offer endless possibilities for busy families, home office, guest suite, or your creative haven. You decide. And the perks don't stop there. A detached garage and fenced backyard make outdoor living just as enjoyable. It's ideal for gatherings, pets, and relaxation. This home is just minutes away from schools, restaurants, and Redstone Arsenal, and that makes daily life effortless. I am Sandra Brazelton, a 30-year CEO, real estate broker for Quali-tech Properties, real estate instructor, mortgage professional, housing and credit counselor. We enjoy top 1% nationwide real estate credentials, and through the years, we've helped clients from 19 to 82 years old secure the blessings of home ownership. Our mission is to use our one-stop shop solutions to help you build and retain generational wealth. This home is not just beautiful, it's affordable and attainable. It will provide you the shelter security that you deserve. But don't wait, because homes like this with down payment assistance and grant options don't last long. So take action now, scan this code, call or email us so we can connect. We know seeing is believing, so please be our guest at our open house, Sunday, March 2nd, 2025 from 2 to 4 p.m. and leave with loan approval and a solid offer to claim your dream home.